I bought a couple of these batteries a while ago. I saw them on the marketplace. They weren't expensive, so I thought, I'll buy them, whatever, and I'll figure out how to make a power bank. They just sat there, just out of reach. One day I started having power issues, and one evening I finally decided to use them. I had some smartphone charging modules, these boards from AliExpress, that I bought for 18650 batteries and made little homemade power banks for myself and my family. I think I'll make a high-capacity, cool power bank out of these large 32,700 batteries now. But as it turns out, these are lithium iron phosphate batteries and aren't suitable for lithium-ion modules. Oh well, I'll look for ready-made DIY boxes for these batteries on AliExpress. I couldn't find a single suitable listing, and this left me completely stupefied. Is it really true that in 2025 the Chinese still haven't come up with a power bank box for 32,700 batteries? Yeah, I'm lying there before bed thinking, maybe I should make the case myself? But damn, should I really use electrical tape again? It'll unravel after a while and stick. I'm lying there, wondering how I can make a box. I was visiting some friends a long time ago, and they had a 3D printer. 3D printer. And then I remember my wife once baiting me with the idea that I should have bought a 3D printer instead of another trinket. I'd wanted one for a long time, but I didn't understand why or how to use it. So I decided to search AliExpress for the simplest, cheapest, and most affordable printer. I came across the Creality Ender 3 SE. It cost around $200 to $250 plus customs duties. I figured I'd see what they sell locally. In country, it was $30 to $50 more expensive, not much more than the one from China. Then I saw a seller offering a different, updated version, a super fast one, manufactured in 2025, the Creality Ender 3 V3, and not much more expensive, $310 with shipping. Well done, I'll take it, it's just what I needed. At first, my wife didn't understand the purpose of this trinket. What could it possibly do? Overall, she was completely neutral about the purchase. At least she didn't start screaming like, "Why did you buy another piece of junk?" Well, a few days later, our free time from work turned upside down. We started printing all sorts of toys, and I started modeling various useful household items. And that's it. Life changed, and off we go!